Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane tea only way. Chop 10-15 grams of fresh or 3-5 grams of dried mushroom, simmer gently in 2 cups water for 20 minutes, strain the liquid, then steep an optional tea bag or add honey for taste. Consume warm, up to 1 cup daily, or split into 2 servings. Store leftovers in the fridge for 48 hours. In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane tea only way. Start by wiping or brushing the mushroom clean and slicing it into 1/4 to 1 2-inch pieces for better extraction. Use a kitchen scale for 3-15 grams, depending on desired strength and tolerance. Preparing consistently helps you repeat results and compare effects versus other preparation methods like tinctures or capsules later. In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane tea only way. Quick recommendation: if you like tidy kitchens, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleanup while your tea simmers. It offers voice control and smart navigation, and it saves time so you can relax with a cup. If this video helps, please like and subscribe and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane tea only way. Use a gentle simmer around 85-95 degrees C for 15-30 minutes to extract beneficial compounds without bitterness, and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or butter to help dissolve fat-soluble components. Taste midway and adjust time. Longer sims deepen flavor. Sweeten with honey or stevia if desired, and remember to cool slightly before drinking to protect delicate flavors and your palate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.